I guarantee you haven't heard much buzz about this online, and I'm going to show you how to leverage the power of an AI chatbot called GPT to make some serious dough, all without showing your face or needing any special skills. So, let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Kittle and the graphics game. First, you need to head over to a place called Kittle, and you can find it at kittle.com. Now, if you're scratching your head and wondering, what's Kittle? Don't worry, you're not alone. Kittle is a fantastic graphic design tool, a bit of a hidden gem, if you will. And the best part? It's going to be your secret weapon in this quest for cash. Why Kittle? Because it's a gold mine of pre-made templates. I'm talking hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of them. And guess what? You get to use them for free. Now, normally, you'd have to be some kind of design guru to play with these templates, but not anymore. Kittle levels the playing field and gives you the keys to the design kingdom. But here's where it gets seriously cool. Kittle has a secret weapon of its own, an AI tool. You tell it what you want, and it creates an image or artwork faster than you can say, "Show me the money." This is groundbreaking stuff. The best part is, there are so many ways to turn these graphics into hard cash. Your first step? Create a free account on Kittle. It's a breeze and it will take you under 2 minutes. Once you're in, your dashboard will be your new playground. Get ready to level up your game. Step 2. ChatGPT Unleashed. Now, let's talk about ChatGPT, the ace up our sleeves. Visit chat.openai.com and ask the chatbot to provide you with the top 10 books in any niche you desire. It could be business, romance, self-help, finance, fitness, or anything that piques your interest. ChatGPT will deliver 10 top books in your chosen category. It's a gold mine for ideas, and you can cherry pick from there. Just copy the book title you fancy. For example, I'm going to grab Good to Great. You'll need this later for your money-making magic. Step 3. Summarizing the gold. It's time for the magic to happen, and it all starts with ChatGPT. This is where the real fun begins. See, ChatGPT can whip up a 2,000-word summary of your chosen book. It's like having your very own personal book summary generator, and it's at your service. So, in my case, I'm going to send Good to Great through the GPT machine. The next part is where things get a bit magical. You're going to need to transform this summary into something truly unique. To do that, you'll need an article rewriter tool like coolbot.com. Why? Because this tool takes your AI-generated content and spins it into something that looks entirely human-made. It's like magic. Now, this step is vital. Why? Because it ensures that your content won't get flagged or removed when you start posting it on various platforms. So, take your transformed content, one section at a time, and paste it back into your book summary document. Step 4. Image-powered monetization. Here's where things start to get really interesting. Monetization time, and guess what? We're going to do it through the powerful world of affiliate marketing. The secret weapon? The Audible Affiliate Program. Audible is a gold mine for this strategy, my friend. It lets you promote audiobooks, and they offer some seriously juicy commissions. You ready? Your goal here is to funnel traffic from your book summaries to Audible. And you know what's even cooler? You don't need people to buy books to make money. Nope, not at all. You make money by getting them to sign up for free. And then, here's the sweet part. If they decide to stick around and upgrade to a paid plan, you can earn an extra bundle of cash. Now, you've got your shiny new affiliate links, and it's time to weave them into your book summaries. But where are you going to post them? Welcome to Medium.com, my friend. This is where the magic happens. This platform boasts over 138 million monthly users. That's music to our ears. Once your book summary is ready, add the non-copyright images you've generated using Kittle. A compelling article needs at least 4 or 5 images to engage your readers. After all, the longer they stay on your article, the more money you're likely to make. Now it's time for the key move. Add your affiliate links to your article. Highlight key phrases. Embed your affiliate links and make them stand out. Encourage readers to click by hinting at the treasures they'll find when they do. It's about making it attractive and easy for them to take action. Step 5. Share and earn. You've created your masterpieces, and now it's time to share them with the world. Publish your book summaries on medium.com. But wait, don't just hit that publish button. Remember to add relevant tags to boost visibility and attract readers. As more readers find your book summaries, they'll click on your affiliate links. And guess what? When they sign up for a free Audible trial, you pocket $5. And if they decide to upgrade to a paid membership, you can earn an extra $10. The key to this strategy is consistency. Post as many book summaries as you can. Each summary can serve as another income stream. Let me tell you, this strategy isn't just theoretical. It's how people are making real money online. I've used this very approach to earn well over 6 figures. It's a strategy that's working and is within your grasp. So go ahead, give it a shot, and start your journey towards making some serious money online. Step 6. Time to take action. Here we are, at the finish line of this exhilarating adventure. The strategy you've just learned isn't some pie-in-the-sky concept. It's a real and powerful way to earn money online. It's a game changer that can help you secure the financial freedom you've been dreaming of. So, what's next? The key is action. Knowledge alone won't get you very far. It's your willingness to put these insights into action that will transform your life. So dive into these steps. Start generating your book summaries, and don't stop there. Keep producing more and more. Consistency is the key to success here. Remember, this isn't a one-hit wonder. It's an approach that can offer multiple streams of income. You don't need to be a design pro, a book critic, or a marketing guru to make this work. All it takes is the drive to get started. So, there you have it. You're armed with a winning strategy. And now, it's up to you to take the reins and ride this opportunity to success. The world of online money-making is vast, and you've just unlocked a door to incredible possibilities. So what are you waiting for? It's time to take the bull by the horns and start making that money. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing or other online money-making strategies, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You never know when the next big thing will drop, and you want to be the first to know. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.